How to fix Siri not talking or working on iPhone after iOS 18. Let's get started. First up, check your Siri settings. Ensure Siri is properly set up and enabled. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of Siri. Click on the option Talk to Siri. Make sure you have taken for the option Hey Siri or Hey Siri. If you have already enabled it, set it to off. Then again set up Siri. Likewise, make sure you have enabled for the option Allow Siri when locked. Then you can check volume and mute settings. For that, you can head towards the option Focus. Make sure you haven't enabled any of these options. Now what you can do is restart your device. For that, you can head back, navigate to the option of General, scroll all the way down, click on the option of Shutdown. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then again turn it back. Likewise, check your internet connection. Ensure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. You can toggle on for the option of airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then toggle it off. If none of these solutions work, head over to the option of General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings and go through the process. If still Siri isn't working, there may be a microphone issue. Test the microphone by using the Voice Memos app or making a call to see if it's functioning properly. By following these steps, Siri should start working again on your iPhone after updating to iOS 18. If none of these solutions work, you might need to contact Apple support for further assistance. That's a wrap for this video. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.